Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, in our second class textbook, children, we have completed 3 chapters, and the fourth one we are doing the exercises. Which chapters we have completed? Once have a look, children. Warm looks for lunch, annual haircut day, little mouse bakes a cake, and now we have completed the stone cutter chapter. And the poem, we are going to learn a poem today, children. What we have learned in the stone cutter story, children, there is a stone cutter who used to cut the stone. Once when he was sitting near a rock, a rich man passed near of him. He said, I wish I would be a rich man. Then the stone cutter became a rich man. Next, when he became a rich man, an emperor passed near to him, and he said, I wish I could become an emperor. Then the rich man became an emperor. After that, what happened, children? The sun dominates, sun rises, came upright, and the emperor went inside. So the emperor said, I wish I could become a sun. Now the emperor became the sun. When the sun shines, now the clouds are moving on, and the sun was covered with the clouds. The sun wishes that I wish I could become the cloud. Then the sun became a cloud, and he saw that the cloud was raining down. The cloud was moving through by the wind. So the cloud said, I wish I would become a wind. And the cloud becomes the wind. But the wind can't move the rock. So the wind wishes that I wish I could become a wind. I could become a rock. So the wind becomes the rock. But nobody was moving the rock, but a stone cutter was cutting the stone of the rock. So he said, I wish I could become a stone cutter, and at last again he became a stone cutter. Very interesting story we have learned, and we have discussed, children, few exercises related to the chapter. See, children, this exercise we have framed the sentences with the given words. Now see, children, we are going to learn about a poem, children. Listen. Which poem we are going to read? Nana, listen. చూడండి మీకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో క్లియర్గా ఉంది. లిసన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పోయం నేమ్? లిసన్. అండ్ ద పోయం వాజ్ రిటన్ బై రస్కిన్ బాండ్. ద పోయం వాజ్ రిటన్ బై రస్కిన్ బాండ్. నౌ లెట్ us have a look on the poem. See, children, what do you mean by the listen, Nana? Listen అంటే ఏంటి? Do you know what do you mean by the listen? Listen అంటే వినడాన్ని మనం లిసన్ అంటాము. లిసన్ టు ద నైట్ విండ్ ఇన్ ద ట్రీస్, లిసన్ టు ద సమ్మర్ గ్రాస్ సింగింగ్, లిసన్ టు ద టైమ్ దట్స్ ట్రిప్పింగ్ బై అండ్ ద డాన్ డ్యూ ఫాలింగ్. See, children, listen to the wind, night wind in the trees. Now here the poet is asking us to listen the wind sound in the night time, the wind which was coming through the trees. And in the next line he said, listen to the summer grass singing. In the summer when the grass moves, it will be very, very pleasant to us. He said to listen that sound. Listen to the time that's tripping. What do you mean by trip, Nana? Somewhere they go there with quick and light movements, tripping by. And the dawn dew falling. Dew ante manchu padadam. Okay. Early morning, the climate was very pleasant outside, children. Listen to the moon as it climbs the sky. Listen to the pebbles humming. Humming అంటే పలకడం. హమ్ చేస్తాయి కదా బీస్ అని, like that. Listen to the mist in the trembling leaves and the silence calling. Now here the poet asked us to listen the different sounds, the sounds which was coming from the small insects, the sounds which are coming from the grass, the sounds which are coming in the night, and the sounds which are coming through the morning dew. Okay, so all these sounds kills us the silence, and the silence calling. But no one is interested to do these things nowadays. Now coming to our poem, see children, when can you see dew? Dew eppudu చూడగలుగుతారు? Dawn. Dawn అంటే nana early morning. This may be the new word to you nana. Dawn means early morning. Dawn is early morning. Okay. Where can you see the moon? Moon ekkada untadi nana? Where can you see the moon? We can see the moon in the sky. Clearly given to you in the poem. Let us read the poem again, children. Once see the first line of the poem. First line. Here see nana. First line. Listen to the night. Listen to the night. Wind in the trees. Listen to the summer grass singing. Listen to the time that's tripping by. Next children, and the dawn dew falling. Listen to the moon as it climbs the sky. Listen to the pebbles humming. Listen to the mist in the trembling leaves and the silence calling. Now let us learn a few new words related to the poem. Okay, see children. Listen, listen. I am writing the words in the double rule. Okay, so that easily you can. Listen, listen. What is the spelling? Nana, listen. Some members used to call it listen. This is wrong. Nana, listen. Listen, listen. Next word, night. What is the next word, children? Night. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Next children, wind. W-I-N-D, wind. W-I-N-D, wind. Next children, see Nana, just I wrote how you have to write the words in the double rule if you have notebooks with you. Okay, in this way you have to present very neatly. Next children, summer. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. G-R-A-S-S, grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. Okay children. T-I-M-E, time. Next children, tripping. T-R-I-P-P-I-N-G, tripping. T-R-I-P-P-I-N-G, tripping. D-A-W-N, dawn. D-E-W, dew. Next children, falling. F-A-L-L-I-N-G, falling. Next children, climbs. C-L-I-M-B-S, climbs. S-K-Y, sky. S-K-Y, sky. Next children, M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Humming. H-U-M-M-I-N-G, humming. Pebbles. P-E-B-B-L-E-S, pebbles. Next, trembling. T-R-E-M-B-L-I-N-G, ఉంటుంది మనల్ని ఎప్పుడు. Now see children, LISTEN listen, NIGHT night, WIND wind, SILENCE silence, CALLING calling, SUMMER summer, GRASS grass, SINGING singing, TIME time, TIPPING tripping, DAWN dawn, DEW dog, dew, FALLING falling, CLIMBS climbs, SKY sky, MOON moon, HUMMING humming, PEBBLES pebbles, TREMBLING trembling, LEAVES leaves. So children, these are the few words related to the poem listen, and a few questions have been given to you on page number 50 children. If you see first question I am writing. Just a few questions we will discuss today. Okay, first question very easy, poem winner andaru. So first question what they gave to you children, when can you see dew? When can you see dew? We can see dew in dawn, DAWN dawn. Okay, answer. Next children, question what they gave, where can you see the moon? Moon ekkada chusaru? Moon we can see in the sky. Where can you see the moon? Where can you see the moon? Sky. We can see the moon in the sky. One word answer I am giving children. Coming to the third one children, what sounds are the pebbles making? Pebbles are making humming sound. What sound are the pebbles making? Pebbles making humming. Pebbles are making humming sound. HUMMING humming. Pebbles are making humming sound. Okay children. Next fourth question, where can you see the mist? We can see the mist in the trembling leaves. ఆకులు కదులుతూ ఉంటే దాంట్లో మధ్యలో mist. We can see the mist in the trembling leaves. Okay. Tomorrow again children, few more questions. Matching has been given. Sounds. Bell ఏ sound చేస్తది నాన్న? Owl sound, door sound, clock sound, tires sound, and cows sound. Cow is making moo sound. Bells, jingle bell. Owls hoot. Doors tick. Clocks tick. They have given you the different things and they have explained us matching. They have given you to match the sounds ni match cheyamannaru. Okay, so bell ఏ sound చేస్తది? Bell makes jingle. Bell gives us jingle sound. Next children, they have given you owls. Owls already we have learned in the first class. Hoot, the sound made by the owls. Next they gave doors, clocks, tires. Next cows. Cows make moo sound. squeak. Okay, these are the sounds. Okay, children. So tomorrow we will continue the class. We will learn more about this poem. Then next lesson we will go to the next lesson, Brave Boy. Okay. Today your work to read lesson number 1, new word meanings and opposites. Lesson number 1, meanings and opposites you have to learn. Okay, children. Have a nice day.